Good morning, all of you. Today we have gathered here a celebration of Independence Day. So I wish you a many happy Independence Day. So I present a song, "हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे." हे राष्ट्र देवतांचे, हे राष्ट्र प्रेम